Please don't wrap the rope around the railing.
Yeah, you don't need to ready, but it'll be stuck on the board if I let it go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just give me a holler. I'll bring it back.
Yeah. Just pull down. So you reach up in. Just pull down. All right, when you're ready, Tessa. Walk off the edge.
For Narnia! For Narnia!
Okay.
And then we can send Matt, right?